of the world's smartphones are dominated by one company. That means all of the OEMs, all of the ODMs, all of the application providers, all of the e-commerce providers, all of the content providers are dependent on one company's strategy. Very rarely in the history of the world has so much hinged on one company's strategy. So we looked and we realized we needed to create change in the mobile world. We needed to do something about this. The way we did it was by bringing people together, people like you, creating a new operating system called Sailfish, creating a new device called Jolla. And we set out in our little boat 3 years ago from Finland to try to boldly change the world. Today, our 128 people have made now a new landmark device, the world's first Sailfish tablet. We've taken the Sailfish operating system through inclusion and partnership to the 2.0 level. We've created a world-class user experience, the world's greatest multitasking, and created an absolutely world-class device. Does the world need another Android tablet? No. The world needs change, the world needs independence, and the world needs something new in mobile. Our business model is not based upon mining and selling user data or advertising. That's quite bold in the world today. How can we do that? We can do that by creating open business, by creating business through partnerships, by creating business by enabling other business models, not by blocking them through anti-competitive behavior. The Sailfish Alliance was kicked off this week with one of the greatest partners in the world, Intel. So by creating a new tablet with Intel, we were able to create an absolutely world-class hardware specification in order to show off the world's only European operating system, Sailfish, the only mobile operating system that is not from the United States of America, the only operating system that does not block other companies from utilizing it for their business models and for their products in any way that they choose to while working with us. The Sailfish 2.0 now has reached this landmark where we are able to demonstrate our new UI on multiple form factors on multiple devices. We started an Indiegogo campaign recently. Why? Not just to find out if there's a market for such a device, which it turns out there is. The world does need a different tablet. Why? To engage with people, to take the ideas that we raised through Sailfish and the Jolla 1 device, where every month people can come and contribute to our next release. They can talk about the things that are important to them. Businesses can work in parallel with us in order to create change, not just getting a new software release with God knows what in it at a random time that they then have to go and reintegrate their services. Sailfish was designed not to gather user data for profit, but Sailfish was designed instead to provide a fantastic user experience and a platform for business innovation. Why do we make innovation? How do we make innovation? We make it for consumers and for enterprise by engaging with people. We call it people power for a reason, because people have a say, because we do not block people, we do not block business, we do not block enterprise from being able to put different models into place. The next member of the Sailfish Alliance was the most trusted company in the internet, which is called SSH, another company from Finland. If you're using e-commerce, if you're using anything secure on the internet, chances are it's going through the SSH protocol. Banking, medical, all kinds of enterprises are depending on SSH in order to secure their internet connection, in order to secure their data. So the second part of the Sailfish Alliance after Intel is SSH, where we are announcing now Sailfish Secure, a secure operating system that can be used not only by consumers, but also can be leveraged by enterprise in order to create a secure solution for your consumers, a secure solution for your internal business. The secure Sailfish will also provide this to consumers so that you can have a secure communication channel to your peers, to your colleagues, and of course, back to your business. This inclusion model is something that I don't know why this has to be unique in this industry. Why can companies not create change and create great innovation by bringing people together and by allowing other kinds of business models? All monopolies fall in one day. So how do we prevent that? We prevent it by creating alliances of great companies who want to work with people, who want to create change in the mobile industry. I would like to invite you to come and have a look at the tablets that we are showing here today. See our new user interface. It has been 3 years in the making, and we have taken feedback from all over the world and have developers all over the world who are contributing. We'd like you to have a look at the fantastic hardware that we've been able to create in partnership with Intel from the Sailfish Alliance. I'd like to thank you very much for coming to MWC this year and have a look at what we have. I think it's great stuff. It's fantastic. You're going to love it. Thank you very much. I'm Marc Dillon.
Yeah.